It's a bit of a busy evening here in the Storm Team Live Radar Network. Showers are filling in Adams County right now, but just in the past couple of minutes, we actually have a severe thunderstorm warning that has been posted for Lebanon County, northern parts of Lancaster County. This is until 10:45. Reason why they put this warning out is some indications of some hail to the west of Lebanon on the radar. This is progressing to the south and east. Notice these two little areas here are starting to come together. Usually when that happens in the summertime, we'll get a little bit of enhancement here. So this will be towards north of Lititz over to Ephrata. It's going to move into Berks County over the next hour. Let's slide down also to York County. And I just want to show you here just to the southwest of Dover, a little cell popping up. Again, not much in the way of lightning, but a good heavy downpour. Thankfully, these things are moving. So we're talking about a 10-15 minute rain shower. Tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit of rinse and repeat. And we're going with an impact on Tuesday for some reasons of hot and humid air mass. Some of our heat indices could be close to 100 degrees tomorrow. And we're also anticipating some severe gusty afternoon storms, as well as some heavy downpours with those storms. So that's what we're going to be looking at here in the forecast for Millersville and the rest of the Susquehanna Valley. Those lingering showers, another hour or two, then muggy with a couple areas of patchy fog overnight, temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow morning, we start sunny, warm and humid as we head into the afternoon. That's where we start to see those storms develop. It's going to be a hot and humid afternoon. Air temperatures close to 90 degrees. So let's start there with the heat. Currently in the lower 80s. This is providing a little bit of fuel for that shower development that we're seeing right now, as well as the moisture in the air. These are high dew point numbers. It's a tropical air mass, care of that tropical system that came on shore to our south. This is what we're looking at for high temperatures tomorrow. You see right about 90 degrees, but it's the feels like temperature that really is what's going to stand out. This is 8 o'clock in the 70s as we head into the afternoon. Look at these numbers, very close to 100 degrees. Once we get in the late afternoon, see how it kind of breaks up here? That's because of that shower and storm activity. But because of those high heat indices, not in our area, but just to the east and south, there are some heat advisories towards the Delaware Valley and Philadelphia. Now let's take a look at the shower activity. There you see a little line developing, moving into that hot and soupy air. So anticipate a couple showers here in York as well as Lebanon County. This will drift over into Lancaster County over the next hour, hour and a half. As we pull back, this is the cold front right here off to our west. That's plowing into the soupy air. This is just a perfect set of ingredients for some afternoon storms tomorrow. There again is that current severe thunderstorm warning. Let's jump ahead to the early morning hours and roll our predictor. In the morning, we start off with some sun, a little bit more clouds as we head into the afternoon. So this is noon. They're starting to pop up to our west. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they'll start to move through western parts of our area, a little bit more widespread as we get to 6 o'clock. By the time we get into the evening, some lingering showers 9 o'clock, and then they're out of here in the overnight hours. So we do have that flood threat, especially to the east. You know, with some areas that got quite a bit of rain down here around Oxford, southern Lancaster County, and there is a slight risk tomorrow for some gusty thunderstorms, some heavy downpours, some frequent lightning. So complicated forecast, and this is just for tomorrow. So I'm going to say warm and steamy for all. Gusty and a strong storm for some. And tomorrow's a good day just to be weather aware. With all this rain that's falling, if you encounter water covering the road when you're out and about tomorrow, turn around, don't drown. Once we get through tomorrow, it's still an active weather pattern over the next 10 days. Temperatures very summer-like with a chance of those afternoon showers.